It's Tuesday night, August 8th. It's almost 13 hours exactly since I was out here this morning. And I managed to liberate a blade from the one I crashed. So we're going to go give this another try here tonight. Alright, here we go. Make some nice circles. Figure 8 maybe, get brave. Nope. What happened? No problem. I think I just went too slow. Just lost whatever airspeed needed to keep it in flight. Okay. Idiot. There we go. There we go. We flying. Coming around. Oh, that was nice. Come on down. That's a little too high for me. Level it out. Level it out. Wow. There we go. Recovery, transition back, and we are flying again. I don't believe this. I don't like being that high yet. I like that. Lost it. All right. Ah, dummy. Wrong button. Ooh, there we go. Ah, that wasn't good. Okay, wind is just starting to pick up as the sun's going down here. So I'm gonna call that success for tonight, and we'll be out here again.